Well, if you want to see what's in this little orange box, just keep watching. And you probably already know by the title, but which one did I pick? It comes in 4 different patterns. Hey guys, it's Karen. Welcome back. This little box is something that I've been wanting it for probably, I think over 2 years ago is when I first saw videos on it, and it just was exactly what I wanted. I've been wanting a nice wallet for a very long time, and I never had a luxury wallet. I mean, I had the LV key clay, and I think that's about it. And then I did have a Tory Burch wallet, but it was one of those longer ones. And I'm more into the smaller handbags now, so I wanted to, you know, get something that would be feasible for a smaller handbag and not take up so much room. And when I saw this one, I just fell in love with it. It is a Recto Verso, and this is a true unboxing because I never unwrapped it yet, but I just had to let you see how beautiful it is, how they wrapped it, and so we'll see what's inside. Hopefully it's what I ordered. I ordered it online, I have to say, and well, see, when I really liked it, it was never available, and then I just gave up and I just kind of forgot about it, and now it just came back to me again, like, oh, I couldn't even remember the name. It's like, how am I going to even look for it on the website when I don't even know the name? I couldn't remember the name. I just knew which one it was. And so I just, looked on YouTube and put in, wallets, and it came up. And but anyway, here we go. So, comes in this box, and we'll just slide it open. And it has a little dust bag with it, like that. And we'll see if it's the one I ordered. Open it up. It does fit snugly in there, so yay, it is. I got the monogram. It's the one I wanted. And I'll tell you why, because it has the black. And you know how much I love monogram and black together. So this was the one I wanted. I just love it. I love it. It's gonna be perfect for me because I'm a minimalist. I don't carry cash or coins. When I give a tip at a restaurant, I just write it on the receipt, the tip for the waiter or waitress. So there's no reason for me to have cash, and I don't know, I just feel it's dirty, and why do you want to put something gross into a beautiful new wallet? I don't know, I'm just not a cash person. But yes, I will find other reasons, because I love to save receipts, and I wanted something, that I could put my receipts in, and also, I have gift cards I'm always given, people give me gift cards, and so I wanted something organized, and so that's how I'm going to use this. So at the front here, you got your little gold clasp, and it open it up, and it has Louis Vuitton, and of course you always get one of these when you buy anything from Louis Vuitton to show it's authentic. So basically that's gonna work good for my receipts that I do want to keep. I don't keep everything, but if you buy something, and what's nice is it also has a little compartment behind there in front of the zipper. And so then you zip it open, and that's usually where everybody would put their coins, but I am not going to do that. I'll probably put credit cards, not credit cards, but gift cards. And inside you have your little key holder here, and which is nice because I think, you know, you could just hook it on your bag inside, and that way you don't have to worry like if it's gonna slip out or anything. So I really, really love that. So you're actually getting a key clay and a wallet. And so, like I said, this does have a high price point, and it went up, I wrote down, from when I looked at it, it was $590, and now it went up to $620. But you are getting, I believe, you know, more than just a wallet. You know, it's kind of like a key clay, and it's, you know, I like to stay organized. I just don't like clutter in my purse, and I like something that I can put my receipts in and everything. So then you turn it around and you have that beautiful black, and that has 3 credit card slots, and then it also has a pocket down here. But I normally don't carry too many credit cards, you know, and so that's just gonna work out perfect. So this does come in, this is a monogram in the black. It also comes in damier, a bean. I believe it comes in pink and red. Now that was not available on the website, so that must have been sold out, but this was available, and also the Emprunte black and navy was also available. Which does run higher, you know, the black Emprunte always does run higher than the normal monogram. And so I forgot to look where it was made. Okay, made in France, yay. Ooh. Okay, made in France. And I really don't require that it needs to be made in France. You know, I feel wherever it's made, you know, it's going to be made well. And so, you know, but it is nice. The price, yeah, I told you the price. Okay. So I'm going to go through the measurements. The length of this is 5.5 inches across, and the height is 3.74, and the width is 0.98. So as you can see, it's going to be nice and slim. It's going to easily go into a double zip pochette, or you know, I've been using my Gucci Soho quite a bit. You know, it's just easy to grab and go, and you know, this is going to be just absolutely perfect. So I'm totally delighted with it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I would love it if you hit the like. It helps me out. If you subscribe and hit the bell, then you'll be notified when I come back. So I hope you enjoyed. Love you guys.